Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're making some delicious chicken foot soup, Jamaican style. So let's get started. So here I have some chicken foot which is already washed with lemon and cleaned, and I chopped them like almost in two. Yes, and there I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning, and I'm just gonna rub it in and set it aside, and then I go ahead and get my pumpkin and my carrot chopped. So now that we have our pumpkin and carrots washed and chopped, we're now going in with our chicken foot, and I'm going in with some allspice berries or pimento seeds, 3 pegs of garlic, and then next I'm going in with the carrot and the pumpkin. And then we're gonna let it come to a boil, and we're just gonna leave it to cook for about 30 minutes until the chicken foot is tender. So after 30 minutes, this is what we have here, a lovely pot of soup already. The color is just perfect. And here you can see our chicken foot is getting tender. So what we're going to do, we're going to go in with our chopped corns now and some chopped Irish potatoes. Here you can add any ground provision of your choice. If you're cooking yellow yam, you can add it here. But I'm cooking white yam and it's easier to cook, so I'm going to add it when I'm adding my dumpling. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover this, and then I go ahead and mix the dough for dumplings. So here I have some plain flour. I'm going in with some salt, and then I'm gonna add some water gradually, and you're just gonna mix until you form a dough ball. So now that our dough is formed, we're gonna go ahead and just pinch a piece of the dough and make our dumplings. And that is how I make my dumplings, just in a round shape, and yes, just give it a little press. Everybody make their dumpling different way, but that is my way. Just make it how you can. So moving on to the next step, I'm now gonna go in with the dumplings, and I'm also gonna add the yams, and then I'm gonna go ahead and add our seasonings, and we're gonna let it cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. And yes, soon our soup is finished, guys. It's smelling good in here already, and it's not done. So there I went in with a piece of thyme. Next I'm going in with spring onion or scallion, whatever you call it. I'm just giving it a little twist to release the flavors. And next I'm going in with the star of the show, the cock soup. You can't make Jamaican soup without cock soup. Yes, you can, but it won't taste the same because the cock soup does add a lot of flavor. I'm going to show you the packet soon. There you go. You can find it in any Caribbean store wherever you are. Just check in the Caribbean store and you will definitely find it. I'm just giving it a little stir here, and then I'm going in with our scotch bonnet pepper. And then we're just gonna leave it there for about 20 to 25 minutes, and soon dinner will be served. But first I'm gonna check to see if any salt is needed or any seasons of your choice. So I check and I realized that I need to add some more seasons. So I went in with some all-purpose season and I'm just stirring it in. And the soup is perfect now. So I'm just gonna cover it and I'll be back with you soon. In a total of 1 hour and 10 minutes, our chicken foot soup is ready. Guys, the soup is flavorful. The aroma in my kitchen is so awesome. And I'm telling you, the soup was so tasty. The soup sell off. My Jamaican friend was here. She had 2 bowls. My daughter had 2 bowls. I had 2 bowls. And before you know it, the soup was done. Guys, please to try the recipe. I will leave a full recipe in the description below. So please to check it out. I'm now gonna go ahead and serve you all a bowl. Enjoy! And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you in another one. Bye for now.